Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to fix Gmail notifications not working on Android. So guys, first thing that you need to make sure is to make sure that you don't have the do not disturb turned on. So make sure to turn it off and make sure to turn off the low power mode or the battery saving mode over here. So make sure it is turned off. Now, once you have done that, another option that you have is just simply go to your Gmail app. And from here, just simply hold the application. And from here, just simply go to app info over here. And now just simply go ahead and scroll down and tap on notifications. And guys, make sure to allow notifications over here. And as you can see, you should be able to see here all of the accounts that you have, and make sure to turn on the notification over here, and make sure to turn on show notification on each one. So now, once you have done that, guys, just simply go back. And from here, just simply go to mobile data, and now make sure to allow app while data saver on, and make sure to allow background data usage. And now just simply go back. And from here, just simply go to battery as well. And from here, just simply make sure to allow background activity. And now guys, the last solution that you have is just simply go back. And now just simply go for the storage over here and tap on clear cache. And from there, you should be able to fix the issue. There you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya.